Oh, yes. Right at the yak. Right at the yak. Ooh, you're a tough little bugger. Oh, scored him right in the head. There's the first fish right there. Just come rifling out then and hit that. So, well, we'll get the hooks out of him and get him back. Just want to wear him, that's all. Got himself good on there. Got that back treble really good. One in the bottom, two in the top. Hang on, mate. Hang on. Let's just get this out of here. There we go, buddy. Nice little EP. Good go, mate. Good start. G'day, mate. Oh, nice. Bass. Bass. Let's get a look at that. Is that a bass, is it? Yeah, very nice, mate. Very nice.
Got the yellowy in the eye.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Rounder head, it's a bit more rounded.
I've caught about 3 or 4, right?
What, today?
Yeah, it's been slow though, mate.
Yeah, yeah.
I've caught them all along here.
Yeah, I caught one just before, just where I launched. Yeah, I was like, oh, that snag looks good, let's throw a cast, and bang.
Good, though.
Oh, there we go.
He's on.
He's alright. Looks like an EP to me. Yeah. EP. Nice EP. It's a cracker, actually. It's a beautiful EP, that. Just get them off. Thanks for the splash, mate. I had a feeling there'd be one on that bush. Yeah, that's the hard part. These winds are making it really difficult. Yeah. Although the first one I got actually hit me right at the kayak. Oh, yes. That's a good one. That's my PB. Oh, that's a bass, yeah. I think that's a bass. That's a big bass. Nah, no, let it go. Yeah, that's a bass, I'm pretty sure. Let's get a good look at that. Oh, nearly copped a hook in a leg then. Number 4 now. Yeah, that's a bass. a beautiful bass. Chunky boy. Oh, he did get me. I don't know about that.
Only the one problem. Don't kiss the fish.
No, they kissed my wife. She'd get very angry otherwise. Yes! Yes! Got him. There's a few of them here, obviously.
Hey, give us the kayak.
It's not even mine. I had to steal it. Nah, it's not stolen. It's my friend's. Yeah, EP. Another beautiful. Whoop, EP. Don't break my rod. Please don't break my rod. Water in the eyes, that's okay. Another EP. See you, buddy. Yes! Ah! Yeah, there we go. Little guy. Nah, little one. Small one. Is that right though? Nice little EP for the river. Was it an EP? Yeah, it's an EP. I'm out of here, guys. I'll see you soon, okay? Take care.
Thank you for your show.
No worries. Hope you guys get a good one. Well, thanks for watching, guys. even though it was bloody windy tonight, we had a fantastic session on the EPs and the bass out there. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I just want to let you guys know that if you are going to fish this river, please pick up all the rubbish after yourself. Please get your lures out of the snags if you can get to them. And let's try to keep this river beautiful. See you soon.